There are many audio mixer products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best audio mixers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Mayona Audio Interface. Rating 4.3. AME2 is a great option if you are looking for an audio interface to record guitar or bass. With the high headroom instrument input, you don't have to sacrifice the tone, and you can get a perfect recording. Elevate your podcasting game with our new digital audio workstation controllers. They are plug-and-play ready, offer crystal clear audio recording, and have a sleek design that gives your home studio a professional touch. Perfect for podcast recording, streaming, voiceovers, and content creation. Our equipment is compatible with PC, smartphones, tablets, cameras, Windows, Mac OS, and more. Each microphone input is independently controlled, and pro features like sidechain, music only, and loopback switches are included. Number 4. Fifine Audio Mixer. Rating 4.3. Featured 4 individual control channels, the gaming mixer can be individually adjusted different devices. You will gain improved using experience via push the volume fader, supporting XLR microphone input. The mixer improve audio performance of your microphone. Built-in 48V phantom power. The streaming mixer eliminate the need for additional power to your condenser microphone. The back of the gaming audio interface is set up multiple audio port. You set up dual PCs for live streaming or plug in different audio devices for audio mixing. Multiple selections meet your needs in different scenarios. Number 3. Pyle Professional Audio Mixer. Rating 4.4. Connect your external USB, computer PC, flash drive or Bluetooth device to mix and record. Use the built-in controls to play, pause, skip tracks and switch between modes. Hassle and cable-free audio streaming ability directly to the console unit. This audio mixer can wirelessly stream music tunes from smartphone with a mixing board, supporting XLR and unbalanced 1/4 plug with plus 48V phantom button. Highly accurate LED peak level indicator and ultra musical 3-band EQ on all channels. Ultra low noise, high headroom mixer with super easy functionality. With sealed rotary controls to resist dust and grime, this compact DJ mixer will provide total dynamic control. Number 2. Rockville Powered Mixer. Rating 4.5. Built-in Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. 24-bit digital effects processor with 16 preset digital effects including effects level control can adjust signal level of each effect. Effects mute button. FX foot switch input lets you turn your effects on or off. 4-band EQ per channel. Each channel is equipped with pad, must, and solo buttons with LEDs. Each channel has gain, O control, FX control, pan control, volume control. Peak LED indicator has a red LED that indicates a signal level that is 5 decibels below clipping. Dual stereo 7-band graphic EQ allows for precise frequency correction of monitor and main outputs. Limit L and Limit R LED indicators. These limiters are designed to go brighter as clipping gets stronger, and will remain lit up until the channels stop clipping. We recommend lowering the gain if you see these LEDs lit up. Power and output level LED indicators. Number 1. Yamaha MG06X Mixer. Rating 4.7. 6-channel standalone mixer with onboard SPX digital effects. No USB. 48V phantom power. Featuring studio-grade discrete Class A/D preamps with inverted Darlington circuit, providing fat, natural-sounding bass and smooth, soaring highs. 3-band EQ and high-pass filters give you maximum control and eliminate unwanted noise, resulting in a cleaner mix. 1-knob compressors allow easy control, resulting in livelier guitars, punchier bass lines, a tighter snare, and a cleaner vocal sound. MG series mixers feature a rugged, impact-resistant, powder-coated metal chassis, LED level metering. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.